Hello students, let's continue chapter 10th of maths of class 8th, that is visualizing solid shapes. Today we will study about faces, edges and vertices. Students, in your earlier classes you have already learnt about these terms. Look at following solids. Students, you can see this solid, vertex, face and edges are given. So students, flat surface. These flat surface are called faces, and faces meet in straight line called edges. So these straight line are called edges, and point called vertices. So these points are called vertices. Clear? Faces means flat surface enclosed by edges are called faces, and a face of a solid shape is a plane or 2D figure. Vertices, the corners where the edges meet are called vertices, and the line segment called edges. In other figures, you can see these are vertex. These points are vertices, and this flat surface is face. So we write here F. F means face, V means vertex. And these line segment are edges. So we write here E. E means edge. Clear students? Faces, edges and vertices. Students, here in this box a riddle is given. I have no vertices. I have no flat faces. Who am I? So students, this is sphere, because sphere has no vertices and sphere has no flat faces. Now we will discuss about polyhedrons. Students, each of these solids is made up of polygon regions which are called its faces. These faces meet at edges, which are line segments, and the edges meet at vertices, which are points. Such solids are called polyhedrons. Students, you can see these figure are polyhedron and these are not polyhedron. These are polyhedron because this solid has faces, edges and vertices, and these are not polyhedron because this solid have curved faces. Next, convex polyhedrons. Students, in chapter 3rd, you have already studied about convex polygons and concave polygons. So convex polygons have no portion of their diagonals in their exteriors. This is not the case with concave polygons. So these solids are convex polyhedron and these are not convex polyhedron. Students, as you know that a diagonal is a line segment connected to non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. You can see in this solid, when we join two points, this is diagonal. So students, these are convex polyhedrons because these polyhedrons have no portion of their diagonals in their exterior. Next, regular polyhedrons. A polyhedron is said to be regular if its faces are made up of regular polygons and the same number of faces meet at each vertex. Students, you can see this cube. This polyhedron is regular because its faces are congruent. Regular polygons vertices are formed by the same number of faces. And this polyhedron is not regular. All the sides are congruent, but the vertices, these are vertices, are not formed by the same number of faces. Three faces meet a point. This is point A, and 1, 2 and 3. Three faces meet A, but four faces, 1, 2, 3 and 4 faces meet at B. So this polyhedron is not regular. Now we will study about prisms and pyramids. Students, you can see these are prisms and these are pyramids. So students, a solid whose base and top are identical polygons and the sides are parallelogram. You can see these are prism because top and base, this top and base are congruent polygons and all faces are parallelogram. You can see here top and base are congruent, both are in triangle shape, and face are parallelogram in shape. And these are pyramids. Pyramid is a polyhedron whose base is a polygon and whose other faces are triangles with a common vertex. Students, you can see these faces are in triangular shape and pyramid has one vertex. A prism or a pyramid is named after its base. Thus, a hexagonal prism has a hexagon as its base, and a triangular pyramid has a triangle as its base.